Magandang araw mga ka-aerial defense, may ibabahagi na naman ako sa inyo. Dahil ngayong araw na ito ay may pag-uusapan tayo tungkol sa depensa. Pilipinas at China naglabasan ng puwersa sa West Philippine Sea, China nag-deploy din ng helicopter. Pero bago tayo magpatuloy, wag mo muna kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Manatiling nakatutok sa aming channel para updated ka sa balitang militar at West Philippine Sea. Tila mas lalo pang lumalala ang sitwasyon ngayon sa West Philippine Sea, kung saan minamanmanan ang monster ship ng China sa lugar na mas lumapit pa sa kalupaan ng Pilipinas. Matatandaan na nag-deploy na ng helicopter, eroplano at barko ang Philippine Coast Guard para bantayan ang nasabing monster ship. Gumanti naman ngayon ang China Coast Guard at humingi ng tulong sa kanilang Navy, kaya agad na nagpadala ito ng naval helicopter at lumipad sa itaas ng barko ng Pilipinas. Ang pagpapakita ng ganitong aksyon ay hudyat lamang na hinahamon tayo ng China kahit na sila na mismo ang nanghihimasok sa ating teritoryo. Narito po ang buong video, panoorin po ninyo.
As of 07:14:10 Hotel, January 2025, China Coast Guard vessel 5901 is on our port bow. BRP Cabra MRV 4409 position at latitude 15 degree 03 decimal 086 north, longitude 119 degree 04 decimal 785 east, course 202 degree true, speed 12 knots, bearing 330, distance to China Coast Guard 5901 2 nautical mile, distance to Capones Point 57 west by north of Capones Point, Zambales, and 71 nautical mile east of Bao de Masinloc.
Sir, according to our radar, China Coast Guard 5901, the position at latitude 14 degrees 58 decimal 462 minutes north, 119 degrees 04 decimal 785 minutes east, course 195 degrees true, speed 3.5 knots, bearing 330 degrees relative, distance to China Coast Guard 5901 2 nautical miles. Sir, the position of CCGV 5901 is at latitude 14 degree 57 decimal 851 minutes north, longitude 119 degree 03 decimal 410 minutes east. The CCGB 5901 is near the vicinity waters 58 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, 72 nautical miles east by south of Bao de Masinloc. Sir, it is confirmed that the CCGV 5901 is inside the exclusive economic zone of the Philippines, sir.
Very well. It is confirmed. CCG 5901 is inside the EEZ of the Philippines. Angels of the Sea challenge CCG 5901.
Aye, sir. China Coast Guard 5901. This is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cabra MRRV 4409 under Republic Act 12064, Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award. You do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions.
To China Coast Guard 5901, this is Philippine Coast Guard vessel BRP Cabra MRRV 4409. We are reminding you that you are within 58 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, inside in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Please leave this area immediately. Over.
Hindi tinigilan ng Philippine Coast Guard ang monster ship ng China Coast Guard na hamunin sa radyo upang palayasin sa ating teritoryo dahil sa kanilang panghihimasok. Tuloy-tuloy ang paghamon sa China Coast Guard at iginigiit ng Pilipinas ang ilegal na operasyon nila sa loob ng EEZ ng Pilipinas, samantala ang buwang na China Coast Guard ay patuloy pa rin sa pinaniniwalaan nilang 9-dash line at patuloy na nilalabag ang international law.
Philippine Coast Guard vessel, BRP Cabra, MRRB 4409. We are reminding you that you are within 76 nautical miles west of Capones Point, Zambales, inside in the Philippine Exclusive Economic Zone. Please leave this area immediately. Over.
开展巡航，请遵守国际海洋密封规则，与我保持安全距离2海里以外。Philippine Coast Guard Vessel 4409. This is China Coast Guard Vessel 5901. I'm performing law enforcement duties on the jurisdictional waters of the People's Republic of China. Please comply with the international regulations for preventing collisions at sea. Please keep 2 nautical miles safe distance off me. Over.
901 Under Republic Act 12064 Philippine Maritime Zones Act, the United Nations Convention on the Law of the Sea, and the 2016 Arbitral Award, you do not possess any legal authority to patrol within the Philippines Exclusive Economic Zone. You are directed to depart immediately and to notify us of your intentions.
Tiniyak ng National Security Council, natatapatan ng karampatang aksyon ng Pilipinas sa oras na gumawa ng anumang provocative action ang namataang monster ship ng China sa karagatan malapit sa Zambales, ayon kay NSC Assistant Director General Jonathan Malaya, na hindi pinababayaan at patuloy na sinusundan at minamanmanan ng Philippine Coast Guard at Armed Forces of the Philippines ang galaw ng Chinese Coast Guard 5901 vessel, dagdag pa ni Malaya. Mahigpit din na monitor ito ng Task Force North at National Task Force for the West Philippine Sea. Patuloy din na binibigyan ng challenge ng ating mga otoridad ang Chinese vessel at binibigyang diin na sila ay nasa loob ng Exclusive Economic Zone ng Pilipinas, at mali ang kanilang iginigiit na nagsasagawa sila ng patrolye sa kanilang area of jurisdiction. Naniniwala naman si Malaya na ang ginagawa ng China ay isang uri ng intimidation, coercion, deception, at aggression, kung saan ipinapakita nilang may ganito silang barko upang takutin ang mga mangingisda. Dagdag pa ni Malaya na sa ngayon wala silang na-monitor na nagsagawa ng panghaharang at delikadong maneuvers ang Chinese monster ship. Pinayuhan naman ng pamahalaan ang mangingisda sa lugar na ipagpatuloy lamang ang kanilang pagpalaot at nakasuporta sa kanila ang gobyerno. Para sa mas madaming update tungkol sa ating depensa, paki-follow at like muna ng aming page na nasa description na ang link. Huwag mo na rin kalimutan mag-like, share and subscribe. Pindutin mo na rin ang bell para updated kayo sa aking mga bagong video. Maraming salamat po.